everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at some new stuff I'm going to be having coming to my Etsy shop, as well as a little how-to on how to use them. Now, what these are some sets of foldable stickers. I saw them in one of the planner boxes, and I wanted them, but let's be real, I don't have the finances to spend $35 on a monthly box to get one sticker. So I came up with some designs myself that are similar, and I really like them. So let's have a look at the sets. First one is what I'm calling a wild style set. It's leopard print. Let's see, get it a little closer. And there are several different styles. All of them are the exact same styles of stickers, but we have the laptops, multiple little notebooks or planners, and just some boxes for trackers. I had an error, and this one didn't print the tracker box, the check boxes in that one, but I have fixed it in the file. Okay, so we have that one. Then we have some blue mermaid scales, and I really like these. These were really fun to create. Next is what I'm calling the bright polka dot set. Then we have the purple stripes. Absolutely adore this one. Then we have rose stripes. You see this one does have the boxes for the days of the week, your little tracker right there. And finally, we have the purple florals. Now I did go ahead and print a second one of the purple florals on my regular printer, not my photo printer that I do for the vibrant colors. You can see a bit of a difference in the colors. I printed this one as a test, and I'm going to use this set to show you guys how to apply these stickers. So let me grab a couple of classic size verticals. Okay, so what I found for foldable stickers is I get the best results. They fold the best if, goodness, my computer's going crazy over there, and I can't lift. There we go. What I do is I fold this one up, give it a slight bend that way, fold the second portion up, lay it flat, and then fold this side on top of it. And there we go. That one I didn't quite get even, but it's good enough for you to see. And then these are all sized for my wild style planner, because that's what I use. So let's get that laid in. And now we have our little laptop in our planner. Okay, the next one is this spiral bound faux planner. And I'm going to do it just the same. I'm going to fold it up and then fold the other side and lay it flat. I'm sticking a little harder today. Okay, and then I'm going to crease and lay that flat. So now we have a planner. And again, size to fit your classic size vertical. So now we have that little planner in our planner. Love that one. Okay, now let's have a look at the tracker. I always put 3 trackers in every spread, so this was really important to me. And it's kind of why I don't do after the pin photos yet, because sometimes I have some personal things in there, but I've created, especially in my gratitude section, so I've created a double box for the weekends where I usually place my gratitude. And I can cover it up and take after the pins. But there you have a little tracker. And we're gonna pop that right there. It does fit, again, in the vertical boxes, but I always put mine in the sidebar, so I can stick that down. So those are the first batch. Let's see. Next I have, I'm gonna do those last. I have this one with the notebook paper. There's 3 more, and then another. I have a lot of these spirals because I really love those. Love the way they came out. So, oops, and I'm pulling that one from the wrong side, so I'm going to stick that back down. And again, fold it over. And fold the last one. And there we go. And we have another little planner for our planner. And there it is, right there. Ready to go. Okay, let's go to the other side. And then this one is a little bit larger, but I made this one kind of for the sidebar. And you always want to pull the cover side first, the side that's going to be on top first. Give it a little crease, then crease the next side and flip it over. Well, I'm sticking. This set of sticker paper seems to be a little bit more aggressive today. Alrighty, and then we have that. And it still fits. It just looks a little bit bigger. But there it is. And the last one of the notebooks is this one. And this one has a to-do list in it. And I don't know if you can tell in the video. Let's see. That one. Lay it down in there. But the ones that look blank, like say this one, all do have dot grid. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. They are dot gridded. Even the laptop. Let's see. And that planner is also dot gridded. Okay, the most difficult design I had to come up with was this one. This is a unique design to me. Now these are a little bit trickier to put together. You've got to be careful with the flap, but you pull up one side of the flap. I don't really bend it because it's such a thin piece, but I bend this side and then stick it down. Now what makes these unique, there's the envelope flap. Then I'm going to go from the bottom, pull that side, the next, and stick it down. And what this does is create a little envelope that you can stick in here. I wanted to use these for Happy Meal. And these are just a tiny bit wider than the boxes on the weekly, like a millimeter. I did size them for the sidebar, but they will work. And I did this so I can put Happy Meal. Like when I'm sending Happy Meal to my friends or they've sent it to me, you know it's coming. And there we go. So there you guys have it. These are going to be my new sticker sets. And I think they're really fun. I love them all, but these three are my favorite. The envelope, this spiral bound, and the laptop. And I hope you guys come by my shop. Check out what else is there. Check out a lot of the little gnomies, you know, rolling with the gnomies. And I will see you next time. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.